But I've realized this is the last chance to get a V12 mid-engine Lamborghini in a gated manual. And they surprised me with a recommendation of $85,000. And I want to throw in a loud exhaust.
I pull these are like 10 grand.
You know that 2005 Murciélago Roadster that I recently acquired? I was gonna sell it, I was gonna flip it. I put the feeler out there. I had a couple bites, but I pulled back. I have decided to keep it. Maybe I'll still sell it later, but I've realized this is the last chance, I'd say, to get a V12 mid-engine Lamborghini in a gated manual. They never made them after this car. And I personally got one that was a one owner, only 17,000 miles in hot orange Roadster. Really, really nice spec. I just couldn't get rid of it. So what I did in turn is sent it off to Vegas for a gated manual conversion. It's gonna come back in about a month with a gated manual conversion, brand new clutch, bunch of maintenance done to it. Who knows? I might fall in love with it even more and never get rid of it. Or the values have really shot up a lot just in the last like 4 or 5 months, especially on the Murciélagos. If it keeps climbing, or maybe even if it's leveled out, I don't care. I see potential for an extra 100K in profit by having it converted, having all the work done, offering somebody a low mileage, hot spec Murci.
It's kind of a somewhat of a now or never type situation on the exhaust system. Your idle pulley is smoked. Idle pulleys are like 10 grand. I'm doing all the lower portion of the car is around $12,000 to fix everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, the hidden cost of a used, one owner, barely driven Lamborghini Murciélago. As you know, I've got that orange Murciélago. I bought it from an older gentleman that really hadn't driven it much in the last 5 years. 17,000 miles for a 2005. I mean, right there, it tells you it doesn't get driven all day, every day. So there were a few maintenance items this car needed. I took it to Gas Motor Cars, who then sent it off to get pre-purchase inspection. They were gonna list the car for me. And they surprised me with a recommendation of $85,000 in recommended repairs and maintenance. I looked at the list. A lot of it, you didn't have to do it when they put an extensive list in front of you to get the car perfect. So I looked at the list, I'm like, if I'm gonna spend anywhere near this amount of money just to get it back to normal, I might as well do the gated conversion for the same cost. While they're in there, they can repair 80% of the stuff they recommended anyways. New spark plugs, new wires, new belts, all that stuff I'm gonna do anyways if they're gonna pull the engine out and do a gated conversion. It needed a new clutch. They wanted an E-Gear actuator. Like those things that I just mentioned alone was like $40,000. And I don't wanna keep the E-Gear transmission. That's very old technology. The manuals have proven to be more reliable, more fun to drive. We go to the manual instead. For the same price I'm about to spend on just getting an E-Gear car ready for retail, I can pull the engine out and throw a manual gated conversion in there and get the car back with all the little bits fixed and a gated conversion. So that's what I chose and ended up doing. Sent it to Royalty Exotics in Vegas. It is about $65,000 for the conversion, another 8 grand for a brand new clutch. And I wanna throw in a loud exhaust too, because this V12 from stock, it's a little too quiet. I want a loud exhaust. I don't know, we'll get it back in a couple months. Let's see what happens. Knowing me though, I'm gonna end up keeping that car. It's your last chance to get a V12 mid-engine Lamborghini with a gated manual in the right spec. The Roadsters are super rare. The orange ones are super rare. I mean, there's one listed online right now, same exact year, same exact spec as mine for $660,000. It's a converted car. So it's not a factory manual, it's a converted manual car. I mean, it's a little bit nicer than mine. It has about 10,000 less miles and slightly better condition and stuff. So I think mine should be worth every bit of $440 if that one goes for $660. And I've got a lot less into mine. I'm gonna probably enjoy it. I'm gonna send you guys a bunch of new videos, new content on the Murci, and maybe I'll keep it, maybe I'll sell it. I keep saying the same thing. But seeing an $80,000 bill, $85,000 bill just to get a car retail ready made no sense to me. Might as well go get the majority of that stuff done plus a gated conversion and bring it back to daddy. The end.